Welcome back to the channel. My name is Victor, also known as Victor Moto, here on YouTube and on Instagram. Here we have a KTM SuperDuke R, and if you are curious about the Austin Racing GP1R Hi Slung Exhaust system, this video is for you. If you might be interested in buying this motorcycle, this video is for you. So I'm going to give you guys a couple of flyby sound shots and a very detailed walk around of this amazing motorcycle. Let's get right to it. Right off the bat, let's zoom in on the GP1R Hi Slung Austin Racing Exhaust. This one has the black ceramic pipework. This exhaust starts from just before where the catalytic converter would be on the original pipe, in this high slung position. Notice it does eliminate the passenger peg option, so no passenger pegs on this motorcycle ever. What else do we see? Fender eliminator kit. That looks like a R&G fender eliminator kit. Stock turn signals. CRG bar and mirrors. Lane splitters, very easily flipped in. Brand new tires, recently serviced. Also, very important to note, this thing only has 2,086 miles. Wait, let me confirm that. $2,108 miles total. Yep. Now let's zoom in on the VIN number, if we can, right there. Let's turn this baby on one more time. This motorcycle is nearly perfect, spotless. I'm going to point out a couple of blemishes. This bike has never been dropped, but if you look closely, the decals are coming up a little bit on both sides. See that there? I'm going to flip it around so you can get the sunlight on the other side. Zoom in on that swing arm. It's pretty spotless. It's got this protective decal over it. Battery tender lead. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for a hell of a lot more.